So you flip on CNBC today, and you see one of the biggest market moves ever in the history of the stock market, which is an almost near $1 trillion company, Nvidia, up 25%. That is just colossal. And I open up the Titan app to see, is it in Flagship? And it's not. And then I'm like, okay, we probably a miss for us. Mm-hmm. Is that how you see it?
A clear miss for us. The good news is I think we'll get another bite at the apple at some point to buy Nvidia, namely when the valuation gets a little more palatable. On days like today, what's interesting...
That was the hesitation.
That was the hesitation.
We had a look at it, but we were nervous about valuation.
Right, but the reason the stock's up 25% in our view today is largely because the company guided 60% higher revenue for Q2 based on AI demand. We talk about picks and shovels, which we can go into, but that demand is affecting a lot of mega cap and broader growth tech. You'll see names like AMD, Meta, Microsoft, ServiceNow, all of which we own today, and
so it is fair.
Up massively.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
We have some exposure, but not the horse that we wish we would have bet on. Of course, hindsight's 2020.
It is fair to say now we've come to this, let's call it a thesis out in the business, starting to metabolize. This is a shovel. So whole adage of in a gold rush, sell shovels. Like in a gold rush, you don't want to be the one hunting for gold. You want to be the one selling the shovel. Mm-hmm. It's a great business to be in. Nvidia is selling the GPUs and CPUs that power all the AI models, or could eventually take market share in. So it's fair to describe this business as a shovel.
Yeah. There's few businesses that have and can replicate what NVIDIA is able to offer in terms of picks and shovels servicing AI. You obviously have hyperscalers, and those are the Amazon Web Services, the Microsoft Azure, the Google Cloud. We own exposure to all of those names. You have a lot of application tech that's leveraging AI, names like ServiceNow. So there's a bunch of types of picks and shovels, but today, like a move like today, obviously confirms people view NVIDIA as the largest and sharpest shovel.
Got it. But we have we have positions on AMD, which is an NVIDIA competitor. Mm-hmm. We have positions on Microsoft. We have position in Google. So it seems like we have at least a sort of like diversified set of positions, not diversified, concentrated set of positions.
Yes.
And betting on AI.
Right. And the reason we have those positions and not NVIDIA is I struggle to see a world in which any of the stocks you just described could be down 30 to 50% in a matter of
Whereas
weeks.
NVIDIA, I can see.
I can see that very quickly.
Right.
NVIDIA, just based on valuation.